The 2010 Toyota Tundra. This four-door, five-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. An attractive stance is achieved thanks to alloy wheels glistening within the fenders. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passenger with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, head curtain airbags, knee airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.